What can you say about the former president, yung one being handed over to The Hague, two, with what's happening there now, your thoughts on this?
Well, deserve na
Deserve
andun
din,
siya sa The
deserve,
Hague.
ah?
Pero,
Okay.
more seriously, um, ito yung matagal ng clamor ng mga biktima ng giyera kontra droga, no? And then yung gawa-gawa ding giyera kontra terorismo, pero it was just actually war against the poor, war against activists. During his term, napakaraming namatay, 30,000 or so, and all of them ay dahil meron lang quota yung mga pulis na kada araw may report silang nahuli, may report silang napatay, pero the drug lords remain protected, no?
Yes.
'Di ba? So the drug war is actually this bogeyman na create to cultivate a culture of fear in the Philippines na hanggang ngayon ay nararamdaman pa rin natin yung epekto, no? Hanggang ngayon pinapatay pa rin yung mga aktivista, hanggang ngayon nandiyan pa rin yung notorious TFL-CAC, no, which is created and up until now budgeted, institutionalized to go after critical youth, critical members of various sectors that are advocating for, changes in policies, no, and anumang pagbabagong kailangan para hindi tayo left in the dust. So deserve talagang na he's going through trial, no, and I know here in the Philippines, no, even though their victims have the best lawyers, the victims still undergo harassment, intimidation, para lang i-drop yung case or hindi na maging witness. So, right now, we're still standing guard and we actually filed a resolution, no? Ito yung isang mga priority na final natin noong nag-start yung 20th Congress, na we oppose yung iba't ibang measures by which President Duterte is looking for temporary release in other countries, no? Because that will be a threat doon sa integrity ng testimonies ng victims kung he's out there and he's able to influence yung kakayahan ng mga biktima. So, we're looking forward to September 23, 2025. This will be the day of his trial. And I think it's poignant na this just came after, no, na parang 2 days before September 21, which is when we commemorate martial
Martial law.
law, 'di ba? Na I think it's a loop in history, no? When we had itong paghihirap under the hands of a dictator sa September, 2 days after we are reminded na ang kapangyarihan ng nagkakaisang mamamayan ay kayang magpa-topple down ng dictators, no? Go against strongmen. They are not infallible people, but kung ano mang mga pagbubusabos na ginawa nila sa mga mamamayan ay kaya ating panagutin.
So talagang yung word na deserve niya, he deserves to be there, he deserves to be penalized for the things that he did before,
Yes,
no? Yun ang
no?
ng Kabataan Party List.
And